Hi bro, how are you? Long time no see you.
Yeah, it has been a while. I'm good, thanks. You?
Not bad bro. So how is work?
Good, just busy.
Actually, I want to learn about MacBook technology. You know any place? Any good place?
Yeah, there's a place called Britco and Britco. They are starting a MacBook course soon. Additionally, they have fantastic trainers, offers lifetime support.
Okay, good. But I can do mornings.
No problem. They have classes from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. so you can pick your time.
When does it start?
Next month, let's check it out together.
So, sure things. Thank you for telling me.
No worries, bro. Let us start your mastering for MacBook. Inshallah.